Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to create approval flows. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then, you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to create approval flows in Jotform, start by clicking on the My Forms option and then selecting My Approvals. This will bring you to the My Approvals page where you can view your existing approvals. To create a new approval, click on the Create Approval button. You will be presented with three different options: starting from scratch, using a one-step approval, or utilizing a template. For this tutorial, select the Use Template option. Choosing the Use Template option will take you to the template library within Jotform. Here, the templates are organized into categories in the left menu. You can browse through these categories or use the search bar to find a specific template that suits your needs. For this tutorial, let's say we want to use the Invoice Approval template. Click on the Use Template button under this specific template, and you will be directed to the editor where you can further customize the template if desired. If you don't need to make any customizations and the chosen template fits your requirements, you can proceed to the Publish section. Here, you have the option to copy the link and share it with others by clicking on the Copy Link option. Alternatively, you can open the approval in a new tab to view it from the user's perspective by selecting the Open in New Tab option. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.